Good afternoon, all my dear viewers, dear friends, and dear student. I hope all are good. Now it is almost 5:30 p.m. in the evening, and as you can see, how beautiful the sunset view. Okay, and the weather is very cloudy. It may be going to rain after 2 or 3 hours because it has been, like this from morning today. And apart from this, I am just in the middle of Sonbeel. Okay, I came with my own boat. You can see this is my own boat and some homework copy of my student. I took exam, okay, of class 7 student, and apart from this, now I am in the middle of Sonbeel. I am experiencing the mesmerizing view of the entire Sonbeel. Just see how the weather is. Clouds are moving from here and there. It maybe it would rain in the evening when it becomes dark. I think it will rain. I'm not sure enough because the weather report or weather forecasting report are showing that it will rain today probably. Okay, I just wanted to show you the views of the Sonbeel. Just see over there. Nothing is visible. You will not be able to see anything because of water. Okay, and the weather is, I just love it. In simple word, I can say that this weather is so charming and so mesmerizing, I would say. And beside me, this is a village called Nagendra Nagar, and right in front of me, I am going to my own village. This is called Kudali Gram. Okay, I am going there. That's all, guys. I just wanted to show you the beautiful views of this Sonbeel. I hope you will like this.